Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to Weekly Tools. If you drive a manual, you know it's fun, but it can also be a headache if you were not careful. Whether you're a pro or just starting out, there are 8 mistakes you need to avoid to keep your stick shift in top shape. Let's dive in. First off, don't rest your hand on the shifter. It might feel natural, but that pressure can wear down the internal parts of the transmission. Keep both hands on the wheel for better control, and only use the shifter when you need it. Next, don't keep the clutch pressed at stops. When you're waiting at a light, shift into neutral and release the clutch. It's easier on your foot, and it prevents unnecessary wear on the clutch system. Third, use the dead pedal. Your left foot should rest on it when you're not shifting. Don't leave it on the clutch, even a little. It can cause premature wear on your clutch. Now, coasting in neutral, don't do it. Some think it saves gas, but modern cars cut fuel when you're in gear. Staying in gear also keeps you in control if you need to speed up quickly. Always use the clutch when shifting. Some might try to shift without it, but that can damage your gears. The clutch is there to protect your transmission, so use it. Don't ride the clutch, meaning don't keep it slightly pressed while driving. It causes heat and wears down the clutch. Only press the clutch when shifting. Don't lug the engine. If you're driving at low RPMs in too high of a gear, it puts stress on the engine. If the car is struggling, it's time to downshift. And finally, always fully press the clutch when shifting. Not pressing it all the way down can cause grinding and damage to your transmission. Make sure it's all the way in. And that's it. 8 mistakes to avoid when driving a manual. Take care of your car, and it'll reward you with smooth shifts for years to come. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Drive safe.